Hey guys, this is Rochelle at Donley Ford in Shelby. If you want to get your top down, come take a look here at 249 Mansfield Avenue, Shelby, Ohio. We have this convertible. It is a 2022 Jeep Wrangler. And then, oh, look who's here.
Hey guys, I'm sitting in a 2022 two-door Big Bend Bronco. This one's special because it features a 7-speed manual transmission as well as a 2.3-liter 4-cylinder turbo engine. Come take a look.
We also have a 2022 Bronco Outer Banks. Oh look, who's that?
This is Dan at Donley Ford. I'm in a brand new Bronco 4-door in my favorite color, blue.
Oh my gosh, who is this?
Tyler, I'm the finance manager. Come check out this 24 carbonized gray.
Wasting that last? Check him out.
I'm Zach, I'm a sales consultant. Come check out this 23 Wild Track and Hot Pepper.
Take a look at his 249 at Mansfield Avenue, Shelby, Ohio. And as always, ask for any of us. See you soon.